And cut.
Is that rough?
Good, very good. Pretty cool. All right.
Marker.
Action. And Julian move. And cut. Larissa. Go, Ted. Go, Gary. On that. Okay, here we go. Go, Gary. And action. Shooting it. Oh, yeah.
Marker.
Mark. Take 6 or so. You guys are. What's wrong with physically parts came together?
No dialogue.
Sure. Thanks.
You can get your face, because right now your head's going to be out of shot.
All right, where's Bob?
Ready.
All right, so let's just.
I think that Carly she's going to react when her eyes to get us something that we're not going to get.
85 whiskey, take 1, A marker. Bravo, Mark.
Absolutely quiet. Ready? Action.
Watch your heads. Over.
Down, down, down.
Cool.
Okay, you're on deck. Yep.
And then we'll switch them to like a tighter.
Okay.
All right. So you've got the drink you on there now?
One. Action.
Bravo, Mark.
Hello, Grips, let's go to 9. Let's try 9.
John, let's get John Bartley over here.
Yeah, right here.
Let's talk about
Make me closer. What's going on? Okay, cool. I just want
Someone left some barbed wire in the middle of the road. I can't believe somebody just dropped it here.
Nobody dropped anything. I just found this tied to a tree back there. Somebody did this. Look, I'm gonna go try and find a phone. I think I saw a gas station like a couple miles back. Okay.
Look, why don't we just wait for someone else to come along?
What, like Speed Racer here?
Look, I'm not just gonna leave the car here.
Fine then. Why don't...
Team Bravo, take one. Hey, Mark.
Gentlemen.
Civilians in attendance. Let's get ready to...
You all right, man?
Yeah, I'm fine. I'm
Yeah?
so sorry.
Mark.
Action.
I just found this tied to a tree back there. Someone did this, you guys. Look, I'm gonna go try and find a phone. I think I saw a gas station like a couple miles back.
Please.
In the beginning, did you feel that?
Yeah, I like it. Thank you.
Is this hard for you?
Go back.
Standing by up the hill.
Show you what?
Hey, you all right, man?
I'm so sorry. Yeah, I'm fine. I'm so sorry.
Oh my God, you could have died.
Yeah. You want to sit down?
Like when she's standing by the barbed wire at the truck.
Do you want to get that symbol in another spot tighter and another
No, I just want to get her placed there for this coverage.
I think we probably have to put...
You want to divest yourself from those? No, I'm really comfortable with the fact that I have because I obviously no taste in human being. Right here. Either that or I'm such an ass I make you look better. Yes. Either way, yeah.
How's that one, Tone?
Beautiful. Good work.
This way? Yeah.
Where was Marcus?
Down was better.
Down was better. Here we go.
There you go.
So, Paul, what would this be called? This is the affectionately known as the...
You don't know what Melrose is? Yeah, I think he's making that up.
It's the prosthetic there, and it's the real hand.
Moments like this.
Just now got full coverage. We're pushing it on your